Hey, Jonathan Montoya here with Funnel Freedom, and I quickly want to walk you through how it works, the power of the software, and more importantly, how you can start an affiliate marketing business in literally just minutes. Now, I'm also going to show you that you can also do a lot more than just affiliate marketing, basic funnels. I'll show you that in just a second, but this is the power of the software right here. So essentially, all you have to do is paste your affiliate links that you see right here. You click on update, and now you're going to have a year's worth of emails being sent out on your behalf, okay? Not only that, everything is all customized to you. So if you see over here where we see profile and social settings, you put your own name, you put your own Facebook links, your YouTube links, all your social medias. That way you can grow that as well. And then you paste your photo. Now what happens is when you click to update, you instantly have an opt-in page that you can use as your own, right? As you can see, this is my dad's. He's using it to give out a free course as his own to build up his email list, right? So you'll see here, people can go opt in for my dad's free course. And then the first email that they're going to get is this free course that, again, this is generated in seconds, okay? All these links at the bottom, these are all going to your affiliate links for those particular programs, okay? Now, that's the beauty on the affiliate marketing side of things. Also, you can do everything when it comes to building a business, right? You can have, you can see your autoresponder, you can send automated messages, you can have an e-commerce website, as you can see on the left, you can see your stats, you can have a membership area, super powerful. So not only do you get to have the capabilities of having a full affiliate business in seconds, as you can see, you can have a full members area, full on funnel builder, you can have a full-on autoresponder. Literally, it's an all-in-one business solution. So super excited for you to dive into Funnel Freedom. Again, the link's going to be down below. Go ahead and get your free trial started, and we'll see you on the inside.